On ICC against her, the late Senator Miriam Santiago was the first Filipino who's elected as ICC judge. Now you're saying that we've never been a member of the ICC, so her election to the ICC representing the Philippines was void?
If the position is we've never been a state party, then logically it is void. Unless the international court says it is not.
But the
Kasi issue, that's a legal issue. As far as we're concerned, they never assumed jurisdiction over us. As far as they're concerned, they assumed jurisdiction because there was a treaty. Tayo naman, may treaty nga, pero you didn't follow the Constitution naman. Kaya wala rin yan. So it's a legal issue.
But the fact, sir, that she intended to be an ICC judge, meaning she knew that the Philippines was a member state. So are you saying that she got it wrong when she campaigned
Obviously,
to be
she never knew, knowing her to be a lawyer, she never knew that there was a publication on the official gazette or a newspaper of general circulation. Had she known that, knowing her, I'm sure she would have raised that as an issue.
So she got it wrong. Thank you.
Christine? Microphone. Nasa
Unless she has a different interpretation.